welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, and turn on your notifications so you could be aware when I upload my next video. So with that being said, in this video we're going to do a little bit of cleaning motivation. So I hope to inspire you to clean. Spring is almost here, so it's time to start airing out your home and cleaning a little bit. So let's start cleaning. So to clean my floors, I usually do half water and half vinegar, and that usually gets my floor really clean.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. it? Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
I'm gonna spray the soap dish with some Clorox to disinfect it and clean it.
Lost in the moment.
I'm gonna spray the sink. This usually cleans it up and gets all the grease, and it looks nice and shiny and it smells great. So this is it, guys. My home is nice and clean. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and turn on your notifications so you could be aware when I upload my next video. And also don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. So I see you guys the next time, and have a great one. Bye.